Today I am showing you how to make print then cut stickers using your Cricut. These are colorful vinyl waterproof stickers that you can use on just about anything. So let's jump in. Welcome to Creative Ramblings. Thanks for being here. I share simple, inspiring project tutorials with you every week. These print then cut stickers are shiny, they're glossy, they're waterproof, they're durable, and they're easy to make. So let's jump in to Cricut Design Space and make these stickers. These are pre-designed stickers that I purchased. You can find a link down in the description. You want to make sure that the setting is print, then cut, and make sure it's sized appropriately that it can fit on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Then you're going to click Make It. You're going to have an option to print. You always want to print using your system dialog box. Now, I'm using a Canon printer, really budget friendly, and prints beautiful stickers. You can find the details on that down below. Here are the specific settings that I use. I choose photo printing, and I'm picking this Higaki paper. It is a cardstock, but it works really well with this product. Then I want to make sure that it's sized appropriately so that it's 8.5 by 11. This dialog box is going to make you double check and make sure that it's printed appropriately. You also want to make sure that you're not having borderless printing, so uncheck that box right there. You can also choose standard printing under print quality. When I know I have all of those, I can hit OK. And now it is time to hit print and send these over to my Canon. The paper I'm using is from a company called Neato Labels, and this is waterproof printable vinyl. I load a sheet into the back rear tray of my printer and then just let it print, and it's got fantastic color. I like this printer because it is budget friendly, but it still prints great. So I'm just going to let it print, and then I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes untouched to make sure that ink is fully dried. If I touch it too soon, it might bleed. Now to cut these, I'm going to head back to Cricut Design Space and choose printable sticker paper. Then I'm going to add the sticker paper to a cutting mat. That black box that's around those stickers, the machine is going to recognize that and know where to cut, so it takes a minute to calibrate. Because these designs are a sticker cut file, it already has the outline around them. So my Cricut is going to cut out each sticker with a little white border. I really didn't have to do any work. It's totally worth a couple dollars to purchase this file and not have to create them on my own. I'm choosing to cut these so they cut all the way through, meaning each individual sticker is going to come off with a backing. There is also something called a kiss cut where you'll have a whole sheet of paper, the back stays intact, and you can just pull the stickers off. That requires less pressure in a different setting. Once they're cut, I can just pull them off the mat, or I could pull the whole outside off and just leave the stickers on the mat. For this particular cut, I'm noticing that a few of my stickers have a little bit of rough edges. This probably in my case means that my blade is a little dull. I haven't replaced it in quite some time. You could always double cut these, sharpen your blade, get a new blade. There's a lot of options here, but it's not too bad, so I'll be able to use all of these stickers. These stickers are great on school supplies, phone cases, water bottles. Remember, they are waterproof and really durable. So grab yourself some of this vinyl, printable vinyl, weatherproof, waterproof sticker paper. Link is down below. Use this tutorial to make your own stickers with Cricut and decorate all the things. If you found this helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. I'm here every week with simple craft tutorials. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.